Kuna mambo wananchi lazima nipeane kwa mkubwa apeleke. Nipeane ujumbe nisipeane jamani. Hapa, Your Excellency, Wakenya are very concerned about a deal that has been done by this government and the Adani group. This is a group that was rejected in Australia, and there were serious demonstrations in Sydney against the Adani group of companies. Kule upande wa Sri Lanka, this Adani group was rejected and there were serious demonstrations against this group. Ukienda Bangladesh, the Adani group was again rejected. It's a team that has a dubious record. Why is it that the Kenya Kwanza government is in a hurry to bring this company with an internationally dubious record to hand over our airport, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport? Niulize niziulize. Niseme jamani. Because Rigiji is an honest man. Take our concerns as Kenyans. But as a government you can ignore the way you ignore the cry of Kenyans mukileta ile finance bill 2023.